the Sony A7S III, and this is not it even a little bit, but we're going to talk about it and we're going to check out all the rumors and all the specs that we've got floating around online and see what we can expect from this thing and what you're excited for. Let's get going. Well guys, for all you vloggers, YouTubers, cinematographers, and everything in between, today we're talking about the much anticipated Sony A7S III. And we're going to look at a few of the rumors, the specs, the hopes and dreams, and see what we know about this thing so far. But real quick guys, if you haven't already and you want to see more of these news, reviews, and giveaways and whatnot, make sure you hit that subscribe button to see all the stuff that I come out with weekly, and sometimes even more often. So diving right into some of the rumors, we've been speculating about this camera for, well, since the last one came out, I'd say. And people are really excited for Sony to do what they do and just push the boundaries, push the limits of what is expected, and they keep doing this, so why would this one be any different? There's plenty of juicy rumors of a new sensor going around, and we've heard of this global sensor, but I've also heard rumors that it's been squashed for a consumer release, only ending up in industrial applications. But as Sony is making a lot of the newer sensors, who knows what they'll come up with. As far as an official announcement, we're hearing definitely before October, and hopefully maybe this summer. As far as some of the newest rumors are concerned, we're hearing hints at an APS-C lineup that may even be geared toward video enthusiasts. Maybe we'll see two variations of the A7S III, maybe one APS-C. And more mention of that completely new sensor, and even 8K with new codecs, which is said to be from a reliable source, but a lot of people still believe that that's enough to catch these things on fire where they stand. On a side note, it looks like Sony's confirmed the possibility of f1.2 lenses, and for me, I'm pretty excited about this new patent showing some new, possibly more affordable, native telephotos. And I frankly don't know where they get some of these things. Here's two rumors with apparently 1% chance of them to be true. The A7S III being released in the fourth quarter of 2019. The camera having a 15.4 megapixel sensor capable of 5K, a 0 rolling shutter, and 10-bit 422 with a big surprise. And the A6900 maybe being that merging point between the two A6000 and the A7 III lineups, having IBIS and a staggering 40 megapixel sensor with 8K. This is silly. So obviously we can't believe everything we hear, but what can we expect? What do we really want? What do we need out of this camera? Well, for me, and I think a lot of people, an absolute minimum of 4K 60, or if they really want to just blow everybody else out of the water, 120. That would be phenomenal. Now when it comes to a sensor, I think we're going to get the big, shiny, newest, best sensor that they have. And I really don't think Sony's going to pull a Canon and give us the same sensor out of some old camera like the A7S II or worse. Next, I know people are really hoping for 10-bit 422 internally, as well as some raw external capabilities to your external recorder. This isn't new, other cameras can do it. This needs to be included. So the introduction of electronic neutral density filters in this camera would be incredible. I think I speak for a lot of people when I say, Sony, please do this. And finally, I think everybody on the planet expects a fully articulating screen. And I don't mean a crappy little flip up and down screen, I mean a fully articulating Canon style screen. Figure it out, do what you gotta do, make it happen. And that's pretty much it. Let me know if I missed something, but I think that everybody can expect, hopefully, to have these type of things in there and, you know, give or take one or two, but for the most part, all this technology is out there. It's just about bringing it into a camera, and are we at the point where we need 6 or 8K? I don't think so yet. I think we're going to run into some issues with heating, and I don't think we really need it yet. So to keep the costs reasonable, I think there's going to have to be a few sacrifices, but these are just my pros and cons, and hopefully we get something that looks something like this. Well guys, that's it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, hit that like and subscribe button and drop your questions and comments down below. If I missed something or you agree or disagree with what you think is going to be all about this camera, let me know in the comments. Let's chat about it. But like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out there and take some more pictures. See you next time, guys.